How to fix Instagram message primary general option not showing problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a common issue many Instagram users face, the primary and general messages options not showing up. So let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to open your Instagram app. Once you're in the app, you need to tap on the message icon located at the top of your screen. Here, you can see that you might have noticed that the messages are missing primary and general options. Then you are not alone. This can be frustrating if you rely on Instagram for communications, but don't worry, we are here to help you solve this problem. First thing first, let's make sure your app is up to date. You need to go to the App Store and then check for any updates if it is available. You simply need to type on Instagram in the search bar, then type search. Now you need to tap on Instagram, and if any updates is available, you need to simply go and update your Instagram. Now if you have done that, let's go back and then you need to check your settings. Open the Instagram app again, then go to your profile icon located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you need to scroll down and then you need to tap on account types and tools. From here, you need to switch to the professional account. Now you need to tap on next. Then you simply select what describes you the best. Let me select a community. Then I'll tap on switch to professional account. Here you need to tap on OK. Now you need to select whether you want to represent as a business owner or a creator. I'll simply select creator and then tap on next. You need to type next, and now you can see the primary, general and request options are there in your message box. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.